You have a scheduler. You have clinical notes. You have a phone. What you probably don't have is the thing in between. Here's how you can tell. A patient stopped coming in back in March. Who noticed? Nobody did. There's no job called noticing. Your scheduler shows you who's booked. It doesn't show you who quietly stopped. That's the gap. And it's what Office Optimizer is for. It's the front office system that sits behind the practice. One record for every patient in one place. Reminders that go out without anybody remembering. Recall for the people who are due. Reactivation for the ones who drifted off. A text sent back automatically when a call gets missed. Intake forms filled in before they arrive. And a dashboard that shows what's actually happening. It's the Canadian version of the system we run for practices, which matters more than it sounds. Your college has rules about what you're allowed to advertise. Plenty of software was built where those rules don't exist. It'll cheerfully push you toward things you can't run. This won't. Now, what it doesn't do, it isn't your scheduler, it isn't your clinical records. You keep those. This works alongside them. We've written out exactly what's in it in plain language. It's free and the link is in the description. Have a look at what's falling through. Dr. Tom Preston. Somebody should be noticing.